Okay, we will continue with the string class. By definition, string class is a representation of series of character values. It means that we should be able to process string values as an array of characters. So if you declare string S1, welcome to Java, we can count that the first character W is a locally index 0. So if we visualize it, welcome to Java, with enough space for character values. So W, E, L, then C, O, M, E, space, T, O, space, J, A, V, A. So that's what we need. So index value start from 0 all the way to 14. Again, welcome to Java is 15 characters long. So capital W, E, let me type it individually, L, 1 by 1, include space. So number 7 is space, O, and number 10 is a space, then Java. Please fix that J to capitalize character. So Java string class has a method called length that will return the integer value that refers to number of characters in S1 object reference variable. String class also has a method to concate multiple string values into one string object reference variable. For example, S1 we have welcome. Let's say string S2 has to Java with a space. Let me fix the typo. S3 we can say that S1 method name is concate with S2. So it's going to give us the same answer, welcome to Java. Or we can use a plus symbol. or S3 is S1 plus S2. Again, something you already know. Or S1 can be welcome, and then we can accumulate it. Plus equal to Java. Normally we use a plus equal for calculations, but we can do that with a string value. So concatenating string values, you can do that 4 different ways. Let's quickly look at the demonstrations. Again, we are going to continue string class. Method name S1. The welcome to Java. Method name is length. So let me just add one here. This is a method, so you need a parenthesis. Again, when you use array, it's a constant, so that you don't need a parenthesis, but this is a method. So you need a parenthesis, make sure. So S1 length, it says that return the length of this array, this string. That will return integer value 15. Okay, then let me look at next one. You can count one by one. 13, 14, 15. So if we have a two string values called welcome to Java. So welcome we have here. This one to Java. You can concate into a new string object. Again, it returns a string with S2, correct? So S3 become exactly the same as a previous one. Welcome to Java. So if you look at S1, S2, we can actually put it together. Let me make a comment. S3 equal to welcome to Java using plus symbol. Let me uncomment. So again, most common way of combining two string values using plus symbol. Let me show you one more unusual way of using plus equal sign. So here S1 plus equal to Java. It will accumulate additional string values to S1. So it becomes S1 which is welcome, and then adding to Java. So it will result exactly same output. Okay.